billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today our topic is quadratic equation. Now we are discussing the last method how to solve a quadratic equation, that is quadratic formula method. Quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula and we have derived it in the last class. By making the method of completing square, we derived this Sridhar Acharya, given by Sridhar Acharya quadratic formula. So we discussed there that b square minus 4ac, this term, this is called a discriminant. And when this discriminant is greater than 0, if it is greater than 0, then the equation has real and unequal roots. Equation has a real and unequal roots. Roots are zeros. And if this d is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is, if it is equivalent to 0, then the equation has a real and equal roots. And if this d is less than 0, then there are no real roots. Then equation has no real roots. That is, if d is in minus sign, obviously it is less than 0, then roots are not possible. So first two situations are d must be greater than 0 or d must be equal to 0 for a quadratic equation to have real roots. So let us find the roots of quadratic equations by making use of this quadratic formula. Suppose here question number 1 is here 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now see here, a is equal to 2. What is b? It is minus 7. And what is c? It is 3. So let's find this d. d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is b square is minus 7 square minus 4 into a. What is a? It is 2, and into c is 3. 7 7s are 49 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and this is 25. Obviously this is greater than 0, therefore the equation has real and unequal roots, which is greater than 0, so therefore roots are possible. So x is equivalent, by making use of this formula, minus b, this is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x is equal to minus b. What is that? It is minus 7. So minus into minus is plus 7. Plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac. We have calculated it. It is 25. Divided by 2a. 2 into a. What is a here? It is 2. So this is very simple. So x is equal to 7 plus minus under root of, this is again perfect square, so 5 square divided by 4 square, and root will get cancelled. We are left with x is equal to 7 plus minus 5 divided by 4. So x is equal to 7 plus 5 divided by 4 and 7 minus 5 divided by 4. So 7 and 5 is 12 by 4. This is 2 by 4. 4 1s are 4, 3s are 2, 1s are 2, 2s are. So we get two values for x. One is 3 and 1 by 2. These are the two values for x. So this is very simple. First of all, you shall find the discriminant, this b square minus 4ac. and this will tell you whether the equation has real roots or not. If it is possible, then you will apply this formula: x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and then you will be able to find the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now question number second is, this is quadratic equation. 4x square, a bit difficult. 4x square plus 4 under root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now see, what is here a is equivalent to 4, what is b is equivalent to 4 under root 3, and what is c is 3. Is a, you know, is a quotient of x square, and b is the quotient of x, c is the constant term. Let's again find this d is equivalent to b square minus 4ac. So b square, what is that? This 4 under root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 4, and into c it is 3. Now 4 square is 16, and under root 3 square is 3, because when we square this under root 3 square and root will get cancelled, we are left with 3. So 4 square is 16, and under root 3 square is 3, minus 4 4s are 16, 3s are 48. This is 48 minus 48, this is equal to 0. So d is equal to 0. So you are in no. Then what kind of roots this equation has? Obviously this has the real and equal roots, or you can say the equation has same roots. It has same roots. So here we go, x is equivalent to, now you can apply this formula, quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x is equal to minus b, what is that? It is minus 4 under root 3 plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac. We have already calculated it, it is 0. So it is under root 0 divided by 2 into a, it is 4. So x is equal to minus 4 under root 3 plus minus under root 0 is 0 divided by 4 2s are 8. Obviously you will give it plus sign then minus. So x is equal to minus 4 under root 3 plus 0 by 8, then minus 4 under root 3 minus 0 by 8. So this is minus 4 under root 3 divided by 8 and minus 4 under root 3 divided by 8. You see here the equation has same roots, equal roots. 4 1s are, 4 2s are, 4 1s are, 4 2s are. So x is equal to minus under root 3 by 2. This is second root, minus under root 3 by 2. So both roots are same or equal, because we find here d is equal to 0. Obviously the equation has what? Real and equal roots. Real and equal roots. And in case if b square minus 4ac is in minus sign, you will write here, since d is less than 0, therefore equation has no real roots. So roots are not possible. Roots are only possible when d is greater than 0 or d is equal to 0. If d is less than 0, then no real roots are possible. Now this was question number second, and you can try all these questions at your places by applying this quadratic formula. This is so simple now. Now there are so many questions regarding this. You can find these questions, solve these questions by making use of the formula at your places. One question is like this. This is like this: x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Now this is a quadratic equation, so you should x into x is x square, minus 1 divided by x is equivalent to 3. So by cross again, x square minus 1 is equal to 3 into x is 3x. Now x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the standard form. So here again, a is equivalent to 1. What is b? It is minus 3. What is c? It is minus 1. So Again, D is equal to B square minus 4AC. B square is minus 3 square. Minus 4 into A is 1 into C is minus 1. 3 3s are 9 and minus into minus is plus. 4 1s are 4. This is 13. Obviously, this is greater than 0. Plus 13 is greater than 0. Therefore, equation has real and unequal roots. So here you will apply the quadratic formula. X is equal to minus B plus minus under root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. So minus B, what is that? It is 3. Because here it is minus here. Minus into minus is plus. So it is 3. Under root of B square minus 4AC that we have calculated earlier. This is 13 divided by 2 into A is obviously 1. So X is equivalent to 3 plus minus under root of 13. 13 is not, it is a prime number, so we have no real root, no factors for this. So it will remain as it is. So this is 3 plus under root 13 by 2. This is one root. And 3 minus under root 13 by 2. This is another root. This is how it goes. And the very important question is the sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age in 3 years. That is sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age in 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Let Rahman's present age, present age, by age I mean present age is equal to X years, and 3 years before, 3 years ago and 5 years from now is a reciprocal. You have to find the reciprocal of Rahman's age 3 years before and 5 years from now. Now what is the age of Rahman before 3 years? Rahman's age before 3 years, that is obviously X minus 3 years. If you are 16 years today, present age, your present age is 16 years, obviously 3 years before you are obviously 16 minus 3. Okay, so you are 13 years 3 years before. If you are 16 years presently, then obviously you are how many years old? You are obviously 3 years old. So if Rahman is X years old, what is his age? 3 years before. 3 years before Rahman's age is obviously X minus 3. Now reciprocal, what is it is reciprocal? Reciprocal, you know, this is 1 divided by X minus 3. Reciprocal, if it is 3 by 2, what is the reciprocal? It is 2 by 3, obviously. So this is very simple. Now Rahman's age before 3 years X minus 3, and what is his reciprocal? It is 1 by X minus 3. Now what is Rahman's age after 5 years? 5 years after Rahman's age. Now Rahman's present age is X. Now what is his age after 5 years from now? Obviously it is X plus. If you are 16 years today and after 5 years you will be 21, that is you are adding it. So here if Rahman's present age is X and after 5 years it will be X plus 5. And what is the reciprocal? Reciprocal here is 1 divided by X plus 5. Now if we find the reciprocal of Rahman's age before 3 years, it is 1 by X minus 3. And reciprocal after 5 years, it is 1 by X plus 5. And their sum means 1 divided by X minus 3 plus, this is sum, 1 divided by X plus 5, this is equivalent to 1 by 3, this is given. I will read it out for you. The sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago is 1 by X minus 3, and 5 years from now is 1 divided by X plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. What is his present age? You have to find the value of X. Now by cross, X plus 5 1s are X plus 5 plus X minus 3 1s are X minus 3 divided by x minus 3 into x plus 5, that's like this, x minus 3 into x plus 5, this is equal to 1 by 3. Now this is x plus x is 2x, 5 minus 3 is 2, divided by x into x is what is that? It is x square. X into 5 is 5x. Now minus 3 into x is minus 3x. Minus 3 into 5 is minus 15, is equal to 1 by 3. So proceeding further, this is 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 5x minus 3x is obviously what? 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. By cross, we shall write here, this is x square, 1 is our x square, plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 into 2x is 6x, 3 2s are 6. Now taking it on the left hand side, so this is x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x square, now 6x minus 2x minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1. What is b? It is minus 4. What is c? It is minus 21. Minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21, obviously. And minus 6x plus 2x. Obviously, we will subtract them. That is 4x, but sign will remain of 6x. So, obviously, it is minus 4x. So, what is d here? This is b square minus 4ac. B square is minus 4 square minus 4 into a. What is a? 1. And what is c? It is minus 21. This is 16 minus into minus is plus. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. This is 100. So d is equal to 100. Obviously, it is greater than 0. Therefore, the equation has real and unequal roots. Now, let's apply this quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root of d. D or b square minus 4ac. This is one and the same thing, divided by 2a. So minus b is 4. Because minus is here, minus into minus is plus. Plus minus under root of d. What is d? It is 100. Divided by 2 into a, 2 into 1. Proceeding further, x is equal to 4 plus minus under root of, obviously this is 10 square, 100 square and root will go. We are left with x is equal to 4 plus minus 10 divided by 2. So x is equal to 4 plus 10 by 2 and 4 minus 10 by 2. This is 14 by 2 and minus 6 by 2. This is absurd because age cannot be negative. This is negative, this term is absurd. 2 1s are 2, 7s are 14, so x is equal to 7. What was our x? It was Rahman's present age. So Rahman was 7 years old. X is equal to 7, so Rahman's present age is equivalent to 7 years. That's all for today, and tomorrow we shall discuss more questions regarding this quadratic formula. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.